Alrighty, folks, if you're watching video number one, we had a technical difficulty. And as you know, I don't edit videos. So what we're going to do in video number two with Dustin is talk about all of the sexy new loan products they are developing. So Dustin, go ahead and go over product number one again, and we will keep it rolling.
So product number one is an 85% loan to value purchase. So on DSCRs only for us. This is strictly, like I said, for purchases for DSCR.
Okay. Yep. And again, this is 85%. You were given an example in the first video in case somebody didn't watch it, where one of your bigger investors in Southern California was going to get 4 homes versus 3. He was going to bank on appreciation, kind of making up the delta or exceeding that. I've always said that one rental at a time. We do not do that. We don't bet on appreciation. But that said, lots of investors do. So that's loan product number one. What do you got for number two?
So second is we are doing now the ability to finance up to 2% of the closing costs on both purchases and refis.
Oh.
Now, refis, it's always been a thing, but why is it interesting? Because we're not going to include that 2% as part of the loan amount when we're calculating the loan to value. So an example,
okay.
The loan amount may be, let's just say easy numbers, $100,000 purchase, right? Loan amount 770, 77%, or pardon me, 77,000, right?
Okay.
77%. That 2,000 over 75,000, what is that now?
You balloons. I don't know.
Dude,
There's some kind of gesture. I don't know.
Somebody is hacking my phone. I did get some fraud on my credit card 2 days ago, so I don't know if they got to my phone, but I'm gonna keep going as long as no balloons pop up. But that 2% difference, okay, we're now gonna underwrite you still at 75 LTV, so you'll still get the pricing.
Got it. That makes sense.
75, even though the loan amount technically is 77. Same thing for refis.
That makes sense.
It helps a lot on purchases, obviously. You may have been told by your lender you've got to put 25 down plus 10K in closing costs. Well, now you can put in this situation, right, 23 down plus closing costs because we'll finance up to 2%.
Oh, I like it. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right. You got a third one?
Third one is more for this one's exciting because we have some big developer clients in Southern California, believe it or not, but it is a line of credit for construction for multiple products or projects. It doesn't have to be for one property that covers both horizontal and vertical. Okay. Now, minimum 2 million, because it's going to be pretty big development, most of these. Maximum 40 million, max loan amount. But the nice part is that it's from 24 months all the way to 60 months. So you can get a line from us, that maybe you've got 6 different developments going on. You can take the draw, you pay it down, and then go use it again. So it's a very unique because most construction loans, you've got one draw, you use it, you're done. This one's revolving, and it applies to multiple projects. So it's something that we actually have one client that's building 24 townhomes, 6, 8, and 10 in 3 different locations using this product right now in LA.
That's awesome. That's very cool. You got any more sexy products out there? Or not yet.
Nothing else up my sleeve. Hopefully,
no, I think those are great.
Hopefully next month we're gonna roll out something big, but I got to keep that close to the chest right now.
Yeah, one of the things I love about what you and Jonathan are doing, Dustin, is you're constantly trying to create products to meet the need of the market, which I've respected. And you have a playlist on this channel that goes back years, and people can watch what you've done over the years. If somebody wanted to reach out, see if a product is a fit for them, how would they do that?
Just go to convoyhomeloans.com and mention you came from ORAT because there is a little drop down for you guys.
Yep. Select ORAT. You will get this fine gentleman or his partner, Jonathan. And if you don't, you just get put in this big queue with a bunch of people not called Dustin or Jonathan. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.